good evening, one and all, and you join us for this Indian T20 League match between...
Despite the conditions, the captain's asking the openers to pad up. Might be a costly decision. The bowlers will fancy their chances of early wickets.
These two teams always produce some great games as we see some of the key players come out onto the ground. It's a fantastic crowd in today. It's an evenly poised matchup. Let's see what happens first ball. Right, so we're ready to get underway. There's always something special about the first delivery. It can really set the tone for a match. Misses everything. Winds up but misses. Looks like they went a bit too early on that shot. Oh wow, that is out of here. That could be out of the ground.
Well, that's what you pay your entrance money for. It's flown into the crowd. A brilliant shot off the front foot. No need to move.
Gill, I don't think, will be too happy with their bowler at the moment. And again, another maximum. All the fielders can do is watch as that sails deep into the crowd.
Follows up the first six with an even better strike. Impressive hitting display at the moment.
Tried something a bit different last delivery, and the captain shouldn't mind that too much. If they get it right, they just might get that wicket. Jeez, timed that well.
That showed great skill. Lovely timing. The boundary was the only place that ball was heading. Pierced the gap wonderfully on the offside at cover. Can he come back with a dot ball?
Head over the ball, great shot. That's racing away.
Threaded it through brilliantly. All timing on that shot.
Over Mumbai, 20 for none.
End of the first and an exceptional start. Some big shots early on. Can build some momentum easily off that over.
Nice shot, pierces the infield.
Clipped way off the pads. What a shot for four.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. Would have to be very happy with that last shot. Doesn't beat the infield. Needs a direct hit. Could that be out? Looks like it. Oh, great run.
A fluent innings undone by a decent delivery. A good wicket to get at a good time.
A lot of pressure coming to the crease. Not had the best of weeks leading up to this game, so I want to show everyone their strength. Oh, what a shot. First ball. Smashed it.
All the way. Got it right out of the middle.
Yeah, it can be very disheartening seeing good deliveries smacked around. Sometimes, though, you just got to accept it and move on. Go for it. It's high in the air. Fielder coming around, but it looks like it'll carry.
You just can't hit it any better than that. Beautiful shot. No chance at all for the fielders.
Super batting at the moment. Back-to-back boundaries, putting the pressure right on the bowler. They've got to respond. Oh, yes. Oh, brilliant stuff. Opened the shoulder and lofted that over cover. That'll be six more.
Well, that ball has been hit. It's flown into the crowd. To get that much power coming forward onto the front foot is just ridiculous.
Wow, that's missed a lot. And the batter's made a bit of a meal of that delivery. Beats the outside edge. Good bowling there. Couldn't get it through the field. Oh, so close. How was that not a wicket? Nearly gets the edge. Yada with a great delivery there. Nicked it. Massive appeal. Just been missing though.